Thousands mourn Palestinian girl martyred by Israel. Hamas says to why in election under unity government. UN agency not affected by US air cut, Palestinian foreign minister. US plan to give some of East Jerusalem to Palestine, reports. PKK terror group oppresses Kurd the most, Erdogan. Syrian refugees find peace and security in Turkey, UNICEF. Syria rallies demand release of jailed women and children. 4 civilians killed in airstrike in Syria's Idlib. Muslim faces most discrimination in US, polls. World Bank approves $165 million for Rohingya in Bangladesh. Pakistan extends closure of its airspace. India demands Pakistan to take action against militants.